Today we're looking at the 2027 GMC Canyon Elevation in a Rapids Metallic. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get this gorgeous black interior leather heated seats on both sides with your power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course up top you get your leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find your infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down, you'll find your dual climate controls to go alongside your hazard lights. You get your USB-C and USB charge ports. Additional storage down low, drive modes, shifter, automatic park brake, 2 cup holders, and of course, more storage inside the middle console. Looking at the driver's side door, you'll find your automatic power windows to go alongside your adjustable side mirror controls. And beside your handle, you have your power locks. Of course, further down, you'll find your trailer brake controls. And if we take a look at the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find your voice recognition to go alongside your audio controls and your menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find your cruise control settings and, of course, your forward collision alert. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll find your push-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. And, of course, up top, you get your power controls for your sunroof. In the back, still have our black interior leather seats. You get USB-C and USB charge ports down low with your AC outlet, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of additional storage, you can also find a lever here at the bottom of your seat. Just lift that up, and this will give you access to the bottom as well for more storage. You also get cup holders here along the middle, and last but not least, your sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our Canyon Elevation, of course we have our GMC badge in the middle of our black Doe grille with our front-facing camera. You get these gorgeous LED headlights along the side, black rims on your Goodyear Wrangler tires, black accent side mirrors with cameras integrated along the bottom. You get keyless entry handles like I mentioned earlier, slight tint in the rear window, corner assist steps on each side with your 4x4 badging along the side of the bed. And inside the bed, you'll see you have spray-on bed liner and of course your 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2027 GMC Canyon Elevation in a Rapids Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team as we're here to help with any questions you may have.